welcome to the Writing Nook here at Fruitiful Soul. I'm so glad you're here. Today we write a décima. 10 lines, words to be heard, a gathering of wisdom. So grab that journal and a pencil or pen and let's begin. Open your journal to a blank page. Down the left-hand side, number your lines from 1 to 10. The décima is written as a single stanza, a form shaped by rhythm, memory, and voice. Each line carries 8 syllables. The sound is guided by a traditional rhyme pattern that helps the poem gather and move forward. This is a poem meant to be spoken or sung. Read aloud as you write, and let your ear guide you. In the right-hand margin, directly across from each number, write the rhyme letters exactly like this: A, B, B, A, C, C, D, D, C. When Espinel shaped the form, he designed it to carry a thought forward, from its first utterance toward something clearly spoken. As you write, keep that sense of purpose quietly in mind. Now, we'll write the poem one line at a time. This form works best when you build it carefully. Don't rush ahead. Let each line set up the next. Feel free to pause the video anytime you need to. Line 1. Introduce the voice, image, or memory you're speaking from. End on a word that's easy to rhyme. Aim for 8 syllables. Line 2. Deepen the moment or add detail. End on a different sound. Keep the rhythm steady. Line 3. Respond to line 2. Let the sound return by rhyming with it. Count your syllables if you need to. Line 4. Echo or expand what you opened at the start. Return to the sound from line 1. Line 5. Stay with that first rhyme. By now, the voice should feel established. Line 6. Introduce a new thought or reflection. Begin a new rhyme. Line 7. Let that reflection deepen or turn. Rhyme again with line 6. Line 8. Allow something to clarify, an insight, a pressure, a realization. Introduce a new rhyme. Line 9. Stay with that sound. Let it hold the tension. Line 10. Gather what's been said. Return to the rhyme from line 6 and 7. Check your syllables one last time. 8 per line. When all 10 lines are on the page, read the décima aloud from beginning to end. Listen for the rhythm and rhyme working together. Make small adjustments for syllable count and flow. When it moves easily, when spoken, stop. Later on, when you type this, remove the numbers and the rhyming letters. Let the poem stand as a single stanza and give it a title. Ask yourself, is the poem true to form? Does it have 10 lines, 8 syllables in each, 1 stanza? Does the thought move forward with focus? Does the final line feel settled when spoken aloud? If yes, you did it. You wrote a décima. Good work. Hey, just to let you know, I've linked a writing guide and an example poem in the description if you'd like more. And there's a book too if you want to go deeper. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so glad you dropped by. Tune in again. Make sure you hit like and subscribe for more. And until then, stay charmed.